home additions, attic levels, complete home remodeling.
Dave here from Pangione Developers, and if your family is interested in a home addition, whether it's a single level or a multi-level, an attic level, or a complete home transformation, then listen to this. Pangione Developers has simplified the home transformation process. If you and your family are interested in expanding your home or finding a fixer-upper to transform, we can help you get the process started from full funding to the design to the build. To get the process started, simply give us a call at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. If you want more information and you want to get pricing within 24 hours, click on the More Information button down below and you'll be directed to our site, answer a couple of questions, and within 24 hours, we'll have pricing for you and your family. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching.